Good morning, everybody. I wanted to make a small tutorial video as to how to best add material to your interactive notebook. I know it hasn't been an easy task for some of you, so I thought I would give you the steps one more time in a recorded video so that you could go back and rewatch them if you ever need help with it again. So you're always going to start here in Clever, and you're going to open and launch your Google Drive. Okay? What you're going to do once it signs you into the Google Drive, the best way to do it is to search it this way. You're going to type in Interactive Notebook V2. Okay? And yours will pop up. Now, because I have access to all yours, that's why mine looks a little bit different. I've selected this one. This person's already done theirs, and they're fine with it. So here's how this works. In order to copy and paste, I will always add material. Today, there is new material, and it's called Square Roots Interactive Notebook Material. All right? So you need two Google Slides open at all times, your interactive notebook and the material. Now, here's how this works and the easiest way to do it. What you do is you click Slide 1. At that point, it'll highlight and turn yellow. You want all of these slides to go into the notebook. So what you're going to do is hold down the Control button, the CTRL button. And then you'll just click Slide 2, Slide 3, Slide 4, Slide 5, Slide 6, and Slide 7. All of these slides are now yellow. Okay? The next step is to copy these slides. So what you're going to do is click View. You're going to click Edit and Copy. Then you're going to come to your interactive notebook. Okay? Now, we want this to go right underneath Slide 5. So what I'm going to do is right underneath Slide 5 here in this little white area. I know it's real small, but you got to get your cursor down there and you're going to click it like that. When that yellow line appears underneath Slide 5, you're going to click Control V. That will then paste all of the slides. You could also, under the Edit tab, just to show you one more time, another way you could do it, you're going to click down there, you get that yellow line, and then you're going to come here to Edit and click Paste. And that'll paste them all. Always click Match Styles in the presentation. Now the material has been inserted. The last thing you need to do is come up here, and you need to add the link. Now you might need to zoom in just so you can see it. Today's title is 10/26/20. It's called Square Root Notes, and then I'm going to show you real quick how to add this link. All right? This new material, Square Root Notes, starts on Slide 6, and that's where I want the link to begin. So I'm going to type the number 6. Now for the tricky part. You have to select this number. What you want to do is hold down Control again and use A. That will select it. Okay, Control A means select all. This little gray, blue, whatever you want to call it, box will appear around the 6. And what you need to do then is go to here, and you're going to go to Insert and Link. You could also use Control K, but for the purposes of clarity, you're going to click Link. Now it says slide. Now it's going to give you a chance to link it to that slide. Right here under Slides in this presentation, we're going to click the drop arrow. And then I'm just going to scroll down until I get to Slide 6. And the last step is Apply. And if you've done it right, this little blue, the 6 will turn blue and underline. And now you have added new material to your interactive notebook. Please feel free to view this as many times as possible so that you may learn how to do this if you have forgotten. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.